providing you with the gold IRA information you need in these uncertain economic times. Welcome to the channel and enjoy the video.
5 reasons why a gold IRA rollover is a smart retirement choice. If you're in the market for an IRA, then you've likely heard the term gold IRA rollover floating around at some point or another. As it turns out, this phrase has many meanings, depending on whom you ask, and it can be difficult to tell what exactly it means when people throw it around. For example, one definition of gold IRA rollover involves owning physical gold in your retirement account, but there are other kinds of gold IRAs that do not use physical gold as part of their investments at all. 1. People are concerned about rising interest rates. The Federal Reserve just hiked interest rates, signaling higher borrowing costs and worrying investors that their savings might not grow as fast. Even though inflation hasn't been much of an issue in recent years, many people still have concerns about rising prices. By placing some of your retirement money into gold or silver through a precious metals IRA rollover, you can protect your nest egg from future market volatility and gain access to valuable financial protection. Read on for more details. Investing in gold or silver can offer many benefits over placing your retirement savings in bonds, CDs and money market accounts. Not only can precious metals help protect your wealth during times of financial stress, but they also have an attractive rate of return as prices have increased by as much as 200% since 2001. Because these assets are typically traded on an open market, they don't pay interest like traditional investments, which gives them an edge when it comes to rising inflation and making up for lost purchasing power. Consider using these assets to diversify your portfolio or buy physical assets rather than leave all of your savings in cash investments that could lose value over time. When you include precious metals as part of your retirement portfolio, they can provide some interesting tax benefits as well. The Internal Revenue Service treats all bullion purchased with your IRA funds as collectibles, and depending on what type of metal you purchase, gold or silver, you may qualify for tax breaks when selling them in retirement. For example, gold coins are treated like collectibles and offer up to a 50% tax break when you sell them at their fair market value. Silver coins are also considered collectibles but do not have tax benefits. You'll need to consult with your accountant about how to handle any profit you make from precious metals holdings inside an IRA rollover. 2. They don't want to pay taxes on their gold holdings. If you want to own gold without having to pay capital gains taxes on your investment, then you should consider a gold IRA rollover. You can easily transfer your existing holdings into an IRS-approved account. After that, you'll be able to enjoy tax-free ownership and profits from your gold investments. A rollover would be an asset investment savvy investors would take advantage of, considering they don't have the skill to invest their money properly. In the past, gold has always been valued, but nowadays it's important because it does not experience as many fluctuations in value during times of economic crises. Investing in gold can be an attractive idea to those who want to set aside their money for retirement. However, gold is subject to capital gains taxes, which means that you have to pay taxes when you sell your gold holdings and make profits on them. This could end up reducing your net profit if you are forced to sell some of your assets. By transferring it into an IRA account and keeping it there until you retire, you will never have to pay tax on any of your earnings or profits from investing in gold. In addition, if you buy and keep physical gold within your IRA account, then all of its ownership rights will remain with your account as well and will not be distributed among anyone else. 3. They don't trust banks. Whether or not you think that's reasonable, it's true. Surveys show people have less faith in banks than ever before. And for good reason. Since 2008, major bank after major bank has paid out billions of dollars to customers who were ripped off by those same banks' predatory lending practices. Because of these bad experiences, many people have lost faith in their banks and they're now looking to invest their retirement savings in assets outside of traditional banking institutions. Fortunately, one such option is an alternative investment like gold and silver IRAs, which give investors direct ownership of tangible metals that are much less vulnerable to financial collapse than cash deposits with a bank. IRAs also offer 2 other key advantages over bank accounts. First, they enable investors to maintain 100% control of their funds at all times. This way, you're not at risk of being accidentally overcharged or having your assets stolen through fraudulent activity by your bank, something that happened in 2008 when many major banks improperly foreclosed on customers' homes. In addition, alternative investments like IRAs allow you to diversify your portfolio and increase its overall value. By investing in physical gold and silver instead of cash accounts with a bank, you can boost your retirement savings by as much as 8% per year, which is especially beneficial when you're living off those funds during retirement. 4. They are attracted by the ability to buy more gold when prices drop. If you're investing in gold and silver because you believe their price will rise, then one of your biggest frustrations might be that they rarely fall. This frustration can really become an issue when it comes to retirement planning. If you're hoping to use your investment to generate income in retirement, then buying high-priced gold can make it difficult to guarantee yourself a steady stream of payouts. A rollover solves that problem. When prices drop after you have your precious metals professionally deposited into your account, you can simply buy more. The result? An at-cost purchase that won't change how much money you receive on an annual basis. They are attracted by all types of retirement plans. Some experts, like former FDIC head Sheila Bair, consider IRAs that include gold or silver to be a form of financial self-defense. The fear many such experts express is that traditional pension plans and Social Security may not exist in their current forms as more people retire in decades to come. Although individuals can't do much about how future politicians choose to fund these programs, many investors feel it makes sense to rely on investments that aren't tied directly to U.S. currency. In other words, someone who believes in hyperinflation, the idea that massive price increases will accompany rapid monetary growth, may see gold as protection against anemic retirement funds. They offer greater flexibility than other IRAs. Traditional IRAs come with significant restrictions that can make it hard to get your money when you need it. For example, if you want to use your account balance to pay off medical bills or cover some other emergency expense, you may find that your only option is liquidating your gold. A rollover doesn't carry these limitations and lets you get at all of your savings immediately by selling back whatever amount of gold or silver interests you. 5. They want more control over their investments. As economic uncertainty lingers, investors are looking for ways to minimize their risks and maximize their gains. Going with traditional investments like stocks, bonds, mutual funds or real estate can mean you don't have as much control over your money. You may find yourself relying on outside influences like companies, investment managers or even bankers. If you want more control over your retirement savings and less dependence on those aforementioned third parties, it might be time to consider making gold part of your portfolio. Today's investors want more flexibility with their money, and gold offers them just that. It's easy to diversify when some of your assets are protected against inflation while others aren't. With gold, you don't have to worry about investment managers going bankrupt or real estate values plummeting. You won't be responsible for seeing your money through ups and downs in the stock market or incurring losses if you hold your investments too long. And unlike other metals, such as silver, you can also count on gold always being accepted as payment. Gold has served as legal tender in places like Iran and India even when their economies were faltering. The flexibility that comes with investing in gold means you can use it to hedge against inflation, protect against deflation and diversify your portfolio. It's just one more way that including gold into your retirement portfolio makes smart sense. Because gold does well when traditional investments are struggling, it's no wonder that people have relied on it for centuries as a way to make ends meet. In times of economic uncertainty, it's smart to look toward proven options like gold. Don't be left at risk of going broke in an age of continuing globalization and increasing instability. If you want more control over your money, and more peace of mind, consider diversifying with gold. When you think about how protecting your retirement security can be easier than ever before, make sure that gold is part of your strategy. In conclusion, a gold IRA rollover is a smart retirement choice for many people for several reasons. People are increasingly concerned about rising interest rates and the potential impact on their retirement savings, so they look for alternative investment options. Gold is a valuable asset that can provide protection against inflation and economic instability. Additionally, people don't want to pay taxes on their gold holdings, which can be a significant drain on their retirement funds. Many people also don't trust banks and prefer to have more control over their investments, which a gold IRA rollover can provide. Furthermore, the ability to buy more gold when prices drop is an attractive option for those looking to maximize their returns. Overall, a gold IRA rollover offers a diversified investment option that can help people protect and grow their retirement savings. To get started, we recommend you get in touch with Augusta Precious Metals. They are our top pick for having a good reputation as well as being Money Magazine's pick for Best Gold IRA in 2022. See the link in the description below or visit EasyGoldInvestments.com right now to request a free gold IRA guide. You can also call them at 1-855-470-4636 to speak to them more about starting a new account or rolling over a traditional IRA or 401k into a gold IRA account. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.
Get more information from our top recommended gold IRA provider, Augusta Precious Metals, by clicking the link below the video, or by going to EasyGoldInvestments.com. You can also call them at 1-855-470-4636. You can speak to someone more about setting up a new account or further details on how to do a rollover from a conventional IRA, 401k, or other retirement account. For your free gold IRA kit, visit EasyGoldInvestments.com right now. Or call 1-855-470-4636. You'll be glad you did.